Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're talking about the best adjustable DC power supply for your electronics bench. If you work with circuits, testing, or small repair jobs, this could be exactly what you need. Let's take a closer look at the Hangel Adjustable DC Power Supply and see what makes it special. Let's get started. The Hangel Adjustable DC Power Supply is built to deliver stable and precise power for different electronics tasks. Whether you are testing a small board or working on a repair project, having steady power is very important. This unit focuses on giving you consistent output so your devices stay safe and your readings stay accurate. That means fewer surprises and more confidence while you work. One of the first things that stands out in the Hangel Adjustable DC Power Supply is its built-in cooling fan. This fan keeps the internal parts at a safe temperature. When you use a power supply for a long time, heat can build up inside. Too much heat can reduce performance and even damage components. The cooling fan helps control that heat so the unit runs smoothly and lasts longer. Safety is also a big priority here. The Hangel Adjustable DC Power Supply comes with self-contained fuses. These fuses protect the unit from overload currents. If something goes wrong and the current becomes too high, the fuse helps prevent serious damage. This not only protects the power supply itself, but also protects the device you have connected to it. It gives you peace of mind while you focus on your work. Another useful feature is the input voltage switch located on the back of the unit. This switch allows you to change the input setting to 115 volts when you are in areas where the input voltage is 110 volts. That means the Hangel Adjustable DC Power Supply can adapt to different regions without extra equipment. It makes the unit more flexible and convenient if you move between locations or order from another country. Now let's talk about precision, because this is where the Hangel Adjustable DC Power Supply really shines. It features a highly accurate 4-digit LED display. This display shows real-time voltage, current, and power output. You can clearly see what is happening at any moment. The voltage accuracy goes down to 0.01 V, and the current accuracy reaches 0.001 A. That level of detail is perfect for tasks that need careful control. If you are fine-tuning a circuit or testing sensitive components, this accuracy really matters. The bright LED screen is easy to read, even from a short distance. You do not have to guess your settings. Everything is clearly shown in real time. This helps you make quick adjustments and keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. In terms of design, the Hangel Adjustable DC Power Supply feels solid and well built. It is made with durability in mind, so it can handle regular use in a workshop or lab. The layout is simple and practical. Controls are easy to access, and the display is positioned clearly on the front panel. The overall design focuses on function and reliability rather than unnecessary extras. So if you were looking for stable output, strong safety protection, regional compatibility, and high-precision measurement, the Hangel Adjustable DC Power Supply brings all of that together in one compact unit. This might be the upgrade your workbench needs. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more simple and helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.